guys, ngenda i-video ngathenga impuphu yakashaya, so bang-inboxa bathi bane-surprise yami. So guys, come with me siye boxa sekoleti gift. Sengiledi guys, sebamele mina. So I'm trying to be fast as much as I can. Yeah. What? Okay, so where are we? Guys, so I need you guys to open this baby with me. So ngithole i-gift, if ever you don't know, ngithole i-gift from Shaya Super Maize Meal. So guys, let's open up. Okay. Okay guys, iyo instant porridge guys, ndiyebantwana from Shaya. I can't wait. Hey mina guys, ngadla tindoda ebantwana, ngiyadla angidlali. And then sabe sesithola okay, show ukuthi lama instant porridge i2, shows i2 abukeka amnandi. Sabe sesithola what's this? Hey, sathola nemabele. So tell mabele guys, ngathanza mabele. Iyo. Ha, ziyakhala guys. Basifakele namabhontshisi. Namabhontshisi guys, ngiyathi kusamabhontshisi ngiyawathanza. Yo, I'm so happy. Ngayifane ngale. Sathola rice guys. Sathola rice. Ungasipani. Iyo. Hey, bana. Nayilenye rice. Hey, ungangithandi. Hey, sathola nembila ogena makipkip. Iyo, iha. Ungangibani. Nase ngibukela ama video wethu ngoba ngibusy nema popcorn. And then sathola what's this? Kudla kwetinkuku guys. Unfortunately anginato tinkuku, but akunankinga, ngidofakela le tinkuku letitala khalami bese ngiyatibamba ngiyadida. Thank you so much. Yo, bese bangipha ne t-shirt yakashaya. Athi ngibone nje ukuthi kutonginela. Hayibo. Hey, ungangiphani. Any size yami. Isazi yami. Yo, thank you so much Shaya. Thank you so much for recognizing me. I really appreciate. Kakhulu futhi. Show ukuthi abantu bakashaya they know me well, ne? Ha, bona le content. Thank you. Bye.